Good morning, madlang people. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maribeth Boiselio Travel, guys. So, it's raining for today, but we gonna go somewhere.
Good morning!
Morgan Ben.
Hi, Nay! Kumusta? Graduate na rin ka, Nay?
Oh, good.
Karoon pa man sila nagkita.
So, guys, it's raining today, but it's okay. We continue to go somewhere even it's raining today, guys. So, let's go with us. We are, guys, na gender nga around Dakua. So, boys and girls. So, guys, here we are now in Zampolcan. We're roaming around here. Nakakita na dyan may parking na dugay, guys. Grabe dugayan ang tuyok. Oy. So, here we are. Ano mi diri? Maghanap. Takang palaging pindot. Slow motion. Video.
Send niya nasa ako din.
So here we are in Banhop, guys. So waiting our schedule. Now we gonna go to Tokyo. Magto-Tokyo daw.
Nalimtan nga nito sa auto.
So,
Sige, Nick.
mag-Tokyo daw kami, guys.
Istorya. Wala naman nabuwan. Wala na.
Oo.
Wala man daw na.
So it's not raining anymore. Okay, let's go. Naka-ano namin sa Tokyo, guys. Kami sa Tokyo. So, Malsite na. Welcome to Tokyo. Welcome to Tokyo lunch. Ito sa akin, guys. Nga ang tanong, guys. Noy, pagkaon. Oh, mainit-init pa, bagong luto. Galing pa ng Tokyo yan.
Pag ulit mag-inom niya.